How to deliver a technical project to ensure that the system being delivered is secure and meets the necessary security requirements. Determine the security requirements. The first step is to determine the security requirements for the system being delivered. Security architecture and security operations can guide you on this. This includes identifying the security category of the system, the security controls that need to be implemented, and any other relevant security requirements. Implement the necessary security controls. Once the security requirements have been determined, the next step is to implement the necessary security controls. These controls should be selected based on the security requirements and should be implemented in a way that ensures they are effective. Perform a security risk assessment. After the security controls have been implemented, a risk assessment should be performed to identify any vulnerabilities or weaknesses in the system. This assessment should consider the likelihood and impact of any potential security incidents and should be used to prioritize any necessary remediation actions. Conduct security testing. The next step is to conduct security testing to ensure that the implemented security controls are effective and that the system is secure. This testing should include penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, and other security testing techniques as appropriate. Obtain authorization. Once the security controls have been implemented and security testing has been completed, the system should be submitted for authorization. This involves presenting the system to the appropriate authorization authority and demonstrating that the system is secure and meets the necessary security requirements. Continuous monitoring. After the system has been authorized, continuous monitoring should be performed to ensure that the system remains secure and compliant with the selected security controls. This involves ongoing monitoring of the system, regular security assessments, and addressing any identified vulnerabilities or weaknesses. Overall, adhering to the C&A process when implementing a technical delivery project requires careful planning, implementation of appropriate security controls, risk assessment, security testing, and ongoing monitoring. By following these steps, organizations can ensure that their systems are secure, compliant, and resilient against evolving security threats. To recap, when delivering a technical project, there are several things you can do to prepare for an easier certification and accreditation, C&A, outcome. Involve security early. Involve your security team early in the project planning process. This will help ensure that security requirements are considered from the start and that any potential security risks are identified and addressed. Follow best practices. Follow industry best practices for secure software development and deployment. This includes adhering to security standards and guidelines, such as NZISM, and implementing security controls that are appropriate for the project. Conduct testing and evaluation. Conduct regular testing and evaluation of the project's security controls to ensure they are functioning properly and providing the necessary level of protection. This can include penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and security audits. Document security measures. Document all security measures that are implemented throughout the project, including any changes made to the security controls over time. This documentation will help demonstrate to auditors that security has been considered and implemented appropriately. Maintain compliance. Continuously monitor and maintain compliance with all relevant security standards and guidelines, such as NZISM, throughout the project lifecycle. This will help ensure that the project is certified and accredited more easily when the time comes. Communicate with stakeholders and system owners. Communicate regularly with project stakeholders and owners of risk, including the security team, auditors, and any other parties involved in the C&A process. Keeping everyone informed and up to date on the project security measures can help prevent surprises and make the C&A process smoother. By following these recommendations, you can help prepare for an easier certification and accreditation outcome when delivering a technical project. It's important to keep in mind that C&A is a rigorous process, and there may still be challenges to overcome, but preparing ahead of time can help minimize those challenges and lead to more successful outcomes.